YouTube, how are you doing today? Gonzo here, bringing you a new video. Today, I'll be showing anyone here who wants to be a FIFA streamer. I mean, this can apply to anyone who wants to be a streamer, but theoretically, this one's geared more towards FIFA streamers or people that watch FIFA. So I'm going to show you how to be a FIFA streamer for this year, 2020. Okay, so starting off the bat, please drop a like down below in the video. Don't forget to subscribe for new and improved content every single day. Let's get started. Being a streamer in general, you need a console. All right, for FIFA you need basically a console, or you're gonna play on your PC. I use an Xbox One, so you need a console for that. Beam. Either a PS4 or Xbox will work for that. Next, you need monitors. Theoretically, you need one to play on and one to look at your chat and stream off of. To capture the gameplay from your console and record it and stream it off to the internet, you need a capture card. I use an Elgato HD60 Pro, which basically is you put it into your computer and then you captures gameplay all in one place and then you stream it. You have the actual external capture card that basically you plug a bunch of stuff into and then it does the same thing. Now, in order to save counter space and wire management, I chose the HD60 Pro. They roughly go around the same price, but you can decide what you want. A headset. I use these Astros T40, Astro A40s TRs, and a mix amp. A mix amp is so important. I would show you guys, but everything's connected to it. It's a little mix amp that lets me hear the game audio, PC audio, all in one. It's a really cool device. It works with any headset. It doesn't have to be an Astro brand headset. You can purchase the mix amp separately and just plug in your standard 3.5 millimeter headset. Next, you need a fast internet. I will show you what I'm running here now. So I've gone over hardware stuff that you need. You need two monitors roughly the same size. I didn't mention that, but two monitors roughly the same size. Your gaming console, the game that you're gonna stream off of, and probably a mid-end like PC computer. Now, mine's a custom-built PC. You can probably do well with a pre-built PC from like Best Buy or Walmart. Honestly, those gaming PCs will work. All you have to do is just buy the Elgato. It tends to get pricey depending on what components or what sort of peripherals you're gonna use to stream. If you're not gonna do it as a hobby, then I would just recommend streaming off your console, which would be the most cost effective since you don't have to buy anything else. Maybe just a mic to talk to people on your stream. But other than that, that's all you need. Now I'm gonna flip over to the software that you need. As you can see here, I have my games here on the side of my computer on the desktop. You do need to install OBS. OBS Studio is an open broadcast software, which basically means it's a software that brings everything together and lets you have like your own sort of personalized broadcast, which is pretty cool, and it's absolutely free. You might see other people around whether it's on Mixer, YouTube, or Twitch, have their personalized themes. I use OBS, Streamlabs OBS, which they come pre-made, so you don't have to worry about finding editors. It's pretty simple, quick and easy. You can find over thousands. I want to say thousands, maybe hundreds of different sort of themes that are pre-built. That will sort of that will sort of give you an edge over other streamers that don't have sort of this themes layout, which is pretty cool. And then from here, it's a pretty simple standard setup. As soon as you install Streamlabs OBS, it's going to give you a sort of setup wizard, which allows the software itself to recognize your sprint speed. Like at me talking FIFA, your internet speed, your download speed. Well, basically your download speed and then your upload stream. Like I said, you need fast internet, probably around 20 megabytes as an upload scale or speed. That way you don't lag during gameplay and your stream doesn't kind of cut off, because when you have sort of slow upload speeds, your streams tend to sort of become choppy because it doesn't have enough speed to like push everything that you're showing to your audience. But other than that, that's pretty much what it takes to stream in YouTube, or YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, Facebook in this year, in this new year, 2020. If you guys have any other questions, please drop them down below. I'll reply to all the comments, and I'll see you all next time in the next video. Peace.